Native buck.
Ito ang hawakan mo. Thanks, Pinky. Pinky, naririnig mo ba ako? Lakas ng ng sounds. Pinky, hanapan kita ng gwapo. Naiya akong mag-focus dun sa gwapo eh. Hindi ko alam kung mga film mo sila. Hanapan kita. Opening pa lang. I mean, mag-start pa lang ng game. Punta ko sarapan. Hindi ako makita. Bakit?
Tonight's game is being broadcast back in the greater Minnesota area on the Timberwolves flagship. Alan Horton doing play-by-play. The game is also televised this evening in Minnesota. Dave Dent and Jim Peters is doing play-by-play. Tonight's game is broadcast throughout Southern California, Spanish, Liga, 1330, play-by-play. Nacho Gonzalez and Pepe Montijo. It's also broadcast on 710 ESPN Radio, the 13 campaigns Radio Hall of Spirit, play-by-play, John Harlan and Michael Thomas. Tonight's game is televised by Spectrum Sportsnet, celebrating 10th now TV Local Lakers, play-by-play with Bill McDowell, Stu Lance, and Mike Friedel.
Salamat, Pinky. Hindi pa ba nag-i-start ng premiere natin?
Courtesy of
Sino ngayon?
EDITH'S local brand created by CJ, Korea's #1
Ken Jeong.
lifestyle company. Brand takes
Ang lit ni Ken Jeong.
delicious cuisine and revamps the recipes with today's modern, non-stop lifestyle. Lakers and Staples Center seek to foster a safe, comfortable, and enjoyable sports and entertainment experience. Please be advised that fans who fail to comply with health and safety protocols and fans engaging in disruptive behavior, such as fighting, throwing objects, attempting to enter the court, or interrupt play, or using foul or abusive language and obscene gestures are subject to ejection and arrest, with penalties that may include fines and or jail time. Please report any such behavior to the nearest usher, security, guest services staff member, or by texting the issue at location 213-616-9950. Message and data rates may apply. Thank you so much and enjoy tonight's game. Now, ladies and gentlemen, direct your attention to center court for tonight's game ball is being delivered by Roberto Alexander Lugo from the boys and girls.
Hey, Aljif. Thank you.
All courtesy of EDITH'S. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to
Sige, Pinky, okay lang. Do it. Record mo para i-upload mo later. Ayan na yung mga Laker girls. Sana kasama ka, Pinky.
The home team, your Los Angeles Lakers. And now the next presentation last night will be performed by Andrea Timberwolves.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose rusty lights and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare
Aljip, bayang mangiliw.
bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, save us, that star-spangled banner yet waves.
Aljip, tayo ka, bayang magiliw na.
For the land
Of the free. Ako yung kumakanta, Aljip. Joke.
And now let's meet the starting lineup for tonight's game. First, the visitors, the Minnesota Timberwolves. And one guard wearing number 0, 6'4",
Ha 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 ha, Aljip ah.
Russell. The other guard, number 22, 6'1", 10'10", from Arkansas, Patrick Beverly. And one forward, number 8, 6'9", 4'10", from Kentucky, Jared Vanderbilt. And the other forward, number 1, 6'5", second season from Georgia, Anthony Edwards. Head coach is Chris Finch. Assistant coaches are Nick Norrie, Pablo Tracy Mountain, Elson Turner, and administrator Greg Farhall.
Ayan na, Aljip, mga Laker goals. Para sa'yo yan. Para sa'yo yung sayaw na yan.
Kentucky, Anthony Davis. Forward number 264, from North Carolina, Wayne Ellington. Forward number 965, Tennessee, from Old Dominion, Kent Greenwald. Head coach Fred Bowles, assistant coaches David Bizdale, Bill Henry, Mike Whitworthy, the athletic trainer Roger Sancho.
We keep it lit.
Number 74, Curtis Player. Number 63, Eric Richardson. Number 24, Brent.
Thank you, Aljif. Thank you, Pinky. Thank you, Lani. Thank you, Lai.
Foul number 9, and Lady Moore, first personal, first team foul. D'Angelo Russell, 2 shots.
Let's go.
Hindi sila makaswitch.
Foul number 32, Carol Anthony Towns, first personal, first team foul.
He's a strapper! Oh, God. This is your job. Baby food. That's a lunch, bro. Who is this guy? Hey, no, you're not hurt. You're not hurt. That's a fine. You're okay. You're okay.
Foul number 8, Jared Vanderbilt, first personal, second team foul.
Oh my gosh, bro, mouse in the house. Eat.
Maryland down.
Come on, bro. That guy chill. Oh, yeah. Oh, alright, you gotta cheat, bro. You gotta cheat. What? Stephen Curry, what the hell is that, kid?
Patrick Beverly. Jared Vanderbilt, timeout.
Aljib, natatalo na tayo. 4-11 na. Lakers ako siyempre. Aljib.
We play softball Lakers.
Ayun, first ano. First time out na muna. Kasi nagtatalo. NBA live at Staples Center. Lakers versus Timberwolves. We are on its first timeout. Aldi, baka naman Minnesota ka. Baka Timberwolves ka. Magkalaban tayo. Daming tao, oh. Hindi ako makahanap ng pogi, ano. Pinky, hindi ako makahanap ng pogi. Ang daming tao, ang daming pogi. Nahanapan kita, magalit yung pogi kung i-ano ko, i-focus ko sa kanya. Baka majumbag ako. Sasabihin ko sana sa kanya, napang ko yung ano ko, sister raka ko.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Thanks, King Dirk. How do you say your name? I'm sorry.
You wanted to order something? Nachos and a Coke?
We're watching Lakers and the Timberwolves at Lakers
Anything else?
at the Staples Center.
Anything else?
We're still on its first quarter.
Let me put your seat number and I'll tell your photo.
Ayan, Pinky. Pinky, gusto mo siya? Makalat-kalat sa harapan ko eh. Sige, Algib Lakers tayo. Ayan, Pinky, oh, pakalat-kalat sa harapan ko. Ayan, nag-girlfriend, sorry. Eto, dadaan sa harapan ko. Yan. Ayan. Nako, 4:11 na. Oh, ang dami. Daming tao. Ayan, papakita ko sa'yo, ano. Aljif, ang daming tao dito sa Staples Center. Oh!
That's great. Pass the ball, Ken. Oh! Don't shoot! Shoot it! Oh!
Yes. Score is 8-11 eh. 8 Lakers 8. Minnesota 11. We're still watching first quarter. Okay, Lakers side this time. Oh. I know, the first quarter pa lang naman eh. The score is Lakers 8, Timberwolves 11.
Come on, Ralph!
Ang dami talaga tao.
First ball foul number 2, Wade Ellington. First personal, second team foul.
Oh,
We out. Push it, Brody. Push it.
oh,
Fuck it!
ah!
You okay? You're not hurt.
Foul number 0, D'Angelo Russell. First personal, third team foul.
You're fine. You're good. Shake it out. I see how.
Number 5, Malik Beasley. Number 3, Kate McDaniel. Welcome to the Minnesota Lab.
He drafted who?
Ayan na yung gwapo, ano.
Timeout.
Pinky. Pakalat-kalat na naman sa harapan ko. Substitution. Time out ng Timberwolves.
How's the worst one it is? Dylan, it's Tony Cortez.
Hi, Alexis Marquez. I'm not sure what you're asking. Are you asking for the scores? The score is Lakers 8, Timberwolves is 11. We are still on its first quarter.
Hey, Mello! Yeah,
32 for all out right now. The second person
Watching here at the Staples Center is just so exciting.
I got it. I got it.
That's great.
The record number 7 for Noah.
The score is Lakers 9, Timberwolves is 11. We're still on its first quarter. There you go. The score is there, flush. Thank you for watching.
Also, number 4 for
Timberwolves. Okay. You're welcome, Jose. Thanks for watching. Yes, we go for Lakers. Mauricio, thanks for watching. The score is Lakers 11, Timberwolves 13. 2 seconds for first quarter. I know. Ano for 55? 2 seconds. Thank you. Lakers 11, Timberwolves 13. We're still on its first quarter. For 4 minutes and 34 seconds. Yes, Lakers is leading now. Lakers 14, Timberwolves 13 by 1. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Yes. Oh, yes! Hey, Davis. Okay, time out. And here comes the Laker girls. Thanks for tuning in, guys. There you go. The score is Lakers 16, Timberwolves is 13. Thanks for tuning in. Yes, Hyacinth. Go Lakers. Thanks for tuning in. Lakers, go, 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 go. There you go. Sana Laker girls ka rin. Hi, Hayas. Thanks for tuning in. We're still on its first quarter. 3 more minutes and 49 seconds. Lakers is 15. Timberwolves is 13.
Number 11, Malik Monk, in the lineup.
Minnesota's ball.
D'Angelo Russell returns from Minnesota.
I'm sorry, Jose, I don't speak Spanish. But thank you for watching though. Jose, the score, Lakers is 16. Lakers is 16. Timberwolves is 15. Hi, Gal. I'm having a hard time. I really don't know how to do that, Mauricio. I'll do that for the second quarter. I need to fix my phone because it's locked. I'm sorry. I'll do that on the second quarter. I need to figure that out. Would you mind to tell me if it's okay? My orientation is locked. I can do that in the second quarter. I need to figure it out. I'll do that later because the orientation, my phone is locked. I'm sorry. Sorry, I'll do that later. We're only 2 minutes.
Okay, hold on. Hey, do y'all actually want to order food or anything?
Second
I'm actually gonna get
Really?
what drinks do you have?
Like soft drinks?
Well,
we only have Coke, right? Diet Coke and Coke.
Russell Westbrook.
Can I get a Sprite, please?
For the Lakers, White Howard, number 39.
I'll take a Sprite.
Lakers 21.
David.
Timberwolves is 15.
Okay, with chicken tender, right? Any drinks? Any drinks? Okay, so 2 chicken
1
tenders.
minute and 15 seconds for the first
3
quarter
chicken
left.
tenders. You want a drink? Potatoes, and then a Sprite, a water, and then a Coke.
Wow. Yay! 58 seconds left for the first quarter. Score, Lakers 23, Timberwolves 15. Go Lakers!
Number 11, John Reed, in the Minnesota lineup.
Oh, wait, sorry. I'm so sorry.
No.
Oh, no.
Yeah, dude.
You can also just do it separately if that's easy.
I'll do that later.
Yeah. It's a water.
He's automatic.
Hey, you're fucking.
Thanks, Hyacinth, for watching. 46 seconds for the first quarter left.
A delay of game 12 against the Lakers.
It's so slow. It's frustrating.
Minnesota's
Can you
ball.
do it for signature?
Lakers 26, Minnesota 15. Oh, okay. Lakers 26, Minnesota 17.
Thank you, Daniel.
One more water, please.
Okay, guys, Lakers 26, Timberwolves is 17. We have what happened? Okay. We're still waiting. I think there's a foul somewhere there. All right, see you guys in the second quarter. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you.